Hi everyone, welcome back to the Luxy Hair channel. My name is Pia Shaw. Today I'm going to be taking you guys through my everyday hair care routine. So this is with 3-day hair. I figured it would be more useful for you guys to see how I style my dirty hair for all my lazy girls out there. I feel like this is a lazy girl hack on how to keep your dirty hair looking fresher longer. So this is 3-day hair. I styled it the day that I washed it with my signature curler from Luxy Hair, but I haven't touched it since. I've done minimal brushing to it, and then I haven't really applied any product, so you guys can see that my roots are pretty greasy right now, but don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. So before we start off, I'm just going to tell you guys what you will need for this look. So you're going to need some dry shampoo. Any dry shampoo you have is perfect. This one is the one, by the way. It's super dry shampoo. I really like this one. I'm almost out of it. And then you're also going to need a texturizing spray. So any spray that kind of helps give that beach wave effect is amazing. This one is also by Way. I love a hair oil because my hair is color treated, so it tends to look a lot drier faster, especially with the blonde in it. So I love just having a hair oil to put through my roots. It gives it that super healthy glow. And then you're also going to need a leave-in conditioning spray. I love this one by Briogeo, but like I said, you can use any one that you're comfortable with. This one just, I feel, works the best in my hair and just doesn't weigh it down, much like the rest of these products. It doesn't help make the hair look oilier, if that makes sense, especially when you're going 3 to 4 days between washes. So I'm also going to show you guys, this is the tool that we're going to be using. This is the Signature Curler by Luxy Hair. This has 11 different heat settings. It's a 1-inch barrel, and this one is also safe for your extensions. It actually has an extended barrel, as you can see here. It's a little bit longer than most, and this is amazing for when you have extensions in. It also has an auto off safety feature, so if you leave it on your counter for too long, it turns off. And then it has a 360 swivel cord, so it doesn't get tangled and knotted and all crazy. So I let this heat up, and I'm going to show you guys the technique that I use for this hair. But first we're going to start off by putting in tons of dry shampoo. Okay. So just work the dry shampoo in your roots. And then we're gonna do a little bit of the leave-in conditioning spray. Just work that through your hair. I don't want my hair too saturated because it'll kind of weigh it down a little bit. And then I take the Signature Curler. I take about 1/2 inch in strands, and then I kind of place it diagonal to my crown. Wrap it around like this with the barrel facing downward, and I kind of slide the hair through. And when you let go, you get this really nice kind of like beach wave. And I like to work in opposite directions. So if I go towards my face with one direction, I go away from my face with the next. Like I said, kind of slide the barrel down. You guys can see, I'll show you with my front pieces too. My front pieces, I always go away from my face and kind of hold the barrel horizontally. Just like that. And when you're touching up your hair, when it's been like 3 days without restyling it, I don't take every single strand because I kind of like it to have that lived-in hair, and you guys can see just with a few strands it already looks much more alive than the side. So here's the side that hasn't been touched yet, and then here's the side that I just curled. I'm going to start off with my bangs, and like I said, I like to hold the barrel diagonal. So just take sections about this big, hold the barrel down, kind of diagonal to your crown, and kind of just pull it down a little bit. And then we'll go in opposite directions. So the next strand. Okay, so now that I'm done curling the hair, you guys can see that this is a little bit too curly for me, so I like to run my fingers through the curls, just like that. Super low maintenance. You guys don't even need a brush, I swear. Just run your fingers through the curls. And then this is when I like to use any sort of texturizing spray, because it kind of helps give it that beach vibe. And then you can take your hair oil and just put a little bit in your hands. I only like to work the oil through the ends of my hair just to keep it from looking dry, but I don't really like to move it upwards too much because I feel like it just weighs the hair down. I don't know if this is a recommended technique, but I love kind of rubbing it in my hands like this. Just feel like it really helps give that like messy, wavy look that you want. And this is the finished hair look. It's super easy, super low maintenance. Like I said, this is 3-day hair and I feel like it looks completely refreshed and revived. I love the signature curler. I feel like it gives the most perfect waves and it lasts. Like my hair usually drops curls pretty fast. I don't know what it is about the signature curler, but it just helps keep this hair looking really fresh and clean, and the curls just don't completely like fall down by the end of the day, which I think is amazing. So this is the finished hair look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Luxy Hair channel for more hair tips and tricks. And if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, my handle is @PiaShaw_. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.